So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day using one weird trick with Google. And I'm going to show you how you can do it fast, easy, so you can get money sent either by check or by wire transfer to you within a week. Let's get it. The future of making money is not in commission-only sales, it is in marketing. And I'm going to be showing you on my computer real quick how you can use, this is a really basic trick, this is something I used for years to make money online with Google. You don't have to spend a dime to do this and to earn commissions by selling products online. So the first thing that we're going to do to make money is you want to sign up with what's called an affiliate network, okay? And there are plenty of affiliate networks around the world. But I'm going to show you one of the easiest ones to sign up for that will approve you literally today, unless you're from Nigeria or Bangladesh. They don't work with Nigerians or Bangladeshis. Sorry. You can sign up for JVZoo. Everyone that's not from Nigeria or Bangladesh, you want to sign up with ClickBank, okay? And they will get you approved literally same day today so you can start earning money with them. The way it works is they'll give you links, which I'll be showing you how to get the links and how to post them on sites that will earn you commissions in just a second here. But the way you will get paid is they will pay you a check to your address. They will send that check to your address within a week, or they will actually do a direct deposit, a wire transfer to your bank account to get you the money that you've earned by selling products. Okay, so let's see here. So sign up. What you'll want to do is create an account. So you'll just click here and you will create an account with ClickBank and sign up with them, and they'll give you what's called a nickname, okay? Good old Idaho boys giving you a nickname. And then once you're logged in, you will go over to the marketplace, okay? So you can click here to go over to the marketplace once you are signed in, and you will be taken to a page that looks like this. Now, all you will do is click this button, the search button, and then you will see thousands of products. Let's see this. 4,353 products to be exact, which you can sell, which you can get links to sell online and you will earn commissions for. You know, this is called the flat belly fix and you can earn $38.76 from this product. Now, there's a few other things you can do when you get more advanced. We're going to go over the simple trick, but there's rebills, so you can earn recurring income. You can sort products by recurring income, okay, right here, if you want to earn recurring income. And you can also sort products that will pay you a large amount of money. So you can, right here, you can find products that will pay you a lot of money. Now, one thing you'll see is that my product right here, the Super Affiliate System, is currently the highest payout product on ClickBank and perhaps the internet. You can earn $500.21 from one sale, and you earn recurring income. Estimated $400 over time, but we're not going to be using my product. This takes more advanced marketing techniques to market. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be marketing a product everyone loves, that's the most popular product on their platform, the Flat Belly Fix. Now, to get your link, you'll click right here, Promote, and you will be brought up with this page which says enter in your account nickname. Now, at this point, you should have signed up and you should have a nickname to put into your account. That's my account nickname. And you will click this button, Generate Hop Links. Now you highlight the hop link, then you click Copy, okay? Or you can just click this button and it will copy the hop link to your computer or something, okay? And then we're gonna move on. So I have the link on my computer. First, we're gonna go to bit.ly and we're gonna put in our link here and we're going to shorten the link because that link is big and ugly and people won't want to click on big ugly links. So I just shortened the link using a site called bit.ly. Okay, you can type that in. It's bit.ly. And we shortened the link and I'm just going to click copy to copy the link right there. Copied. Boom. So let's move on to the next step. Now we're going to go on to Google. And to go on to Google, we want to find blogs. Okay, so we want to find particularly weight loss blogs, and we're going to find places to post our link on. Again, we're selling a weight loss product, so we want to post it on weight loss blogs because there are people looking to lose weight. Kind of obvious, right? But for many people, they haven't marketed on the internet before. So we're going to go over to these weight loss blogs, and we're going to find a blog to post on, okay? Because what we're going to do is we're going to post in the comments. So we come down here, and we see a ton of blogs: Life by Daily Burn, Pop Sugar Fitness, The Healthy Foodie, tons of blogs we can choose from, Exercise Library. But I'm gonna choose this one, A Black Girl's Guide to Weight Loss, because it literally says weight loss, you know? It literally says weight loss in the title. So we're gonna do that because it just seems like the best fit, right? So we're gonna click there. We're gonna go over here to A Black Girl's Guide to Weight Loss. Boom, we're on the blog. Now let's check this out. So we have a bunch of pictures of black women that are losing weight, it looks like here. But let's click on the first blog, which says, no chubby mannequins aren't selling, a dangerous lie, but shitty writers certainly are. Whatever that is. Okay, so we click on this, and there's an article. Boom! Now we scroll down the article, and we're not interested in reading this. We're interested in posting in the comments area. To post in the comments area, we're gonna put our link. We don't wanna just post our link there, right? Because people have no context for the link. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna write something. So I'll say something like, here's a great way I found to lose weight. Okay, you know, I'm gonna say, thank you for the article. You are an inspiration to us all. Here's a great way I found to lose weight. I hope it helps some others. Now, we wrote our article, we put our link in, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna click post, okay? So I'm gonna post as just John. Boom, there we go. I can already smell the money. Let's do it. Now, it's that easy to start making money online. You got your link out there. You got it on a weight loss blog. You're selling a weight loss product that's gonna help people lose weight. We already posted it. It took us 5 minutes. Now, let me show you how you can set up a systematic way to really get you $100 a day. Now, you only need 3 people to buy that product to start making $100 a day. But let me show you how you can do this. You can replicate this and post this hundreds or thousands of places, depending on how much time you have, and you can get to this number real easy by getting more people to see your links. Let me show you this real quick. And if you're getting value from this, if this seems really easy, it's because it is. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, slam that subscribe button if you're looking to learn more and see more of my videos on how to make money online. I have free mini courses on affiliate marketing. As you see by the amount of money on my table, I've done very well with affiliate marketing because I've been able to use scale and leverage to leverage these really easy ways of getting affiliate links out there to do very well for myself, and I don't have any employees. So let's check out, let me show you how to systemize this and make big money and get to that $100 a day fast. Let's see my computer. So now we're gonna go back to Google and we're gonna type in the search bar, we're gonna type in Google Alerts, okay? So now we're on Google Alerts and we're going to actually create an alert about weight loss, okay? Boom. Okay, so next we're gonna actually click Show Options right here. I don't want to be getting emails every day. I mean, maybe you do if you're doing this for a living, or depending on how much time, but let's say once a week, okay? You want an alert of when you want to see when new blogs. So you only want to see blogs, and you want to see them in English. And let's just say you want to see them in the United States, okay? And say only the best results. Let's say all results. This way you'll get an alert once a week of all of the blogs that have new entry. Boom. Now you've created an alert so you can see all of the new weight loss all the new articles on weight loss related blogs in English that have come out this week. And that'll be a great way for you to utilize this trick and just go on and post and just say something along the lines of what I already posted, which is, oh, thank you for the content, inspirational. Here's a product that helped, many others, lose weight and it's really interesting, or whatever you want to phrase it as. You can make a lot of money doing this. It's very easy. The power of marketing is in the fact that the internet serves billions of people around the globe. You have access to something like 7 billion people when you are using the internet. And the fact of the matter is, most people who watch this video, less than 1% will do anything at all. Now, keep that in mind, because my responsibility to you as a teacher is to tell you, you're not going to make any money sitting back there if you just watch this video on your phone and you scroll to next. The only way you will make money is if you actually do some work. Get off your phone and get on your laptop and actually put this into action, because the money, the big money, gets made on your computer, not on your phone. If you're hanging out on your phone, you can make some pennies, but this is a way that you can make $100 a day with a simple and easy trick from Google. Check it out. Now, I hope this video helped you out. Let me know if you are if you are all in to make this happen and get this $100 a day. Type in all in the comments area and give this video a big like, subscribe to my channel. But I want to see all in the comments area. If you're going to try this out, you don't have to use weight loss. There's 4,000 other products you can do this with. There's hundreds of niches, and you can make some big money just going around doing this, taking action, not watching this video anymore, and just taking action. But before you do that, before you click off this video, type in all in the comments, because I'd love to see some of you make some serious money doing this. And if you're skeptical, just type in, did anybody make money doing this? Because you're probably not going to be doing anything and you won't be making money, but my people who are all in will be. So looking forward to seeing you guys make some cash, subscribe to my channel, and seeing you on future videos. Let's get it.